The J36 Ultra handheld gaming console is an absolute delight for gamers of all ages, offering an exceptional blend of nostalgia, modern functionality, and portable convenience that far exceeds expectations for its price point. From the moment you pick it up, the device feels solid and thoughtfully engineered. Its ergonomic buttons and thumbsticks are responsive and comfortable, making extended play sessions a joy rather than a strain. The screen is vibrant and sharp, bringing classic and modern titles alike to life with bright colors and crisp details that make every pixel pop. What truly sets this handheld apart is its online multiplayer support, allowing you to connect with friends or other players effortlessly and enjoy competitive or cooperative gameplay without restrictions, elevating it from a simple retro emulator to a social gaming hub you can take anywhere. The built-in RGB lighting adds a layer of customizable personality that makes the console feel uniquely yours. Whether you're playing at home with the lights down low or showing it off to friends, the lighting enhances the excitement and immersion. Battery life is impressive too, powering long adventures on the road, on break, or unwinding at night without constant recharging interruptions. The extensive library of preloaded games spans genres and eras, delivering countless hours of entertainment for fans of platformers, shooters, puzzles, and everything in between. What really resonates is how well this console balances fun, performance, and portability. It's lightweight yet durable, rich in features yet intuitive to use, and it brings together the best parts of gaming history while adding contemporary conveniences that keep you engaged. Whether you're reliving favorite childhood memories or discovering timeless classics for the first time, the J36 Ultra turns every moment into a celebration of play, and its strong online capabilities ensure you're never limited to solo adventures. In short, this handheld is a standout device that transforms portable gaming into a vibrant, connected, and deeply satisfying experience you'll want to carry with you wherever fun is needed.